Hi, my name is Rich Glady. I head up the lubricants division for VP Racing Fuels. I've been in the lubricant business for approximately 38 years. I started my career with Kendall Oil Company, also became vice president of a company called American Refining Group. I created the Penn Grade 1 green oil line, and I've been with VP for approximately 4 years. I worked with a leading chemical additive supplier in creating a new line of racing oils that we feel are second to none in the marketplace. One of the products we have is our Nitro 70 racing oil. This oil contains about 1,700 parts per million zinc, 2,100 parts per million phosphorus, plus multiple anti-wear chemistries in this oil, plus a unique dispersant friction modifier to help reduce the amount of fluid-to-fluid friction and metal-to-fluid friction. In addition, it contains an anti-foam additive, so it won't foam up. It treats very well with using gasoline or alcohol, methanol, or nitromethane products for the engines that call for an SAE 70 racing oil. We appreciate you considering using our products, and we're here to support you in any way possible.